If you are watching this video from any part of the country, then this video is going to be very important for your NTA UGC NET psychology preparation. In this video, we will discuss about the most important units which you need to study for your upcoming examination. Maybe it may be in December or maybe in June, wherever you are watching this video. These units will be the most important, and as well as we will also discuss complete syllabus, how the paper is coming, as well as we will also discuss about your June 2024 attempt. So how was the paper and all or things you need to keep in mind before attempting for the next exam. So right now results are awaited. So you might clear the examination, you might not clear the examination, or you might be giving for the very first time in December 24 or June 25 or upcoming sessions. So this video is going to be very helpful. So if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel where we have shared all the free study materials that you need to study for your this examination, as well as we have shared all the PYQs from year 2019 to 2024, and that too absolutely free of cost. Alright, so make sure that you download all these things because these are the PYQs which are not available to you, and in the meantime between time you suffer with these things, you are not able to do all the PYQs thoroughly. Okay, so let's start today's video and we will dive into first of all our this is your UGC NET psychology syllabus, unit number 1, emergence of psychology. So in this video we will take the reference of last paper, that is your 30th of August examination. Okay, we will be considering this paper and we will discuss how many questions are coming from each unit approximately, so that you have a better idea. So first of all, talking about unit number 1, that is emergence of psychology. So this time in December 2024, sorry, not my bad, June 2024, how many questions were there? There were 10 questions from this particular unit. Okay, sounds fair. We have 10 units into 10 questions per each unit is equals to 100 questions. But this is not the case with NTA UGC NET. They change the number of questions from each unit every time. And we can say this is the maximum in recent years from past 2019. This is the maximum they have asked from this particular unit in June 2024 session. Okay, so first of all, emergence of psychology, and this unit particularly, I would like to tell this thing that unit number 1 is your infinity. Okay, so no matter how much you study for this particular unit, either there will be very easy questions that will be doable for all, or there will be difficult questions which will be difficult for everyone. So if you are studying this unit particularly like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour daily, or we can say if you are giving efforts or input in this particular unit, then you are literally wasting your time. This is not the right thing to do. So what is the right thing to do? The right thing is your PYQs. Whatever is in their PYQs from unit number 1, you just do all those things and you study whatever you want to study extra for this particular unit. Apart from that, you don't need to do anything, because if you see this particular paper in June 24 session, if we talk about this, then you will find there will question from that Mahatma Gandhi and Patanjali combined question, which is sort of difficult. Okay, because why difficult? Because that is not standard, that is not what you will study in any book or what you will refer in our day-to-day life. But yes, Annamay Kosh, Pranamay Kosh and all those things you will find it. And difficult questions like Buddhism, which was asked in June 23 session, questions like that will always be difficult, and in the upcoming sessions it will be difficult once again. All right, and let's talk about that literary thing, who wrote about Bhagavad Gita, which books, Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Tukaram, and all the options were given. So it is also not, no one would be studying things like these. So if you study, you are simply wasting time. You just need to do the PYQs thoroughly, and that is done for your this particular unit. Okay, so this is your unit number 1, emergence of psychology. Now moving forward, unit number 2, and I will tell you this is the most important. We can say this is the heart of your paper. Why? Because in this session, in this June 24 attempt, there were 21 questions. Can you imagine? 20% of paper is coming from this particular unit. 21 questions from this particular unit of research methodology and statistics. So to be honest, if you want to clear this examination very easily, you have to be very good at this particular unit. Until and unless you are very good in this, it is likely impossible that you are going to clear the examination. There are several exceptions. You might be one of the exception, but we will talk about the NPC and we will talk about this audience, and these people will need to study this unit very thoroughly and very properly. each and every single word is very very important. See, research, it is important. What is research, how it is, and what it is, what is the meaning, what are the purposes, and what are the dimensions. Each and every word written over here is important for you. Okay, and if you find the PYQs, why I am saying this, that you need to study each and every single word, because if you find reporting research is not been asked yet, but it is mentioned in your this syllabus, but so they can ask in the upcoming sessions, you have to be aware of that. Okay, now if we look into this, these point focus groups, they have not asked about focus groups yet that much, as they have asked about ethnography, as they have asked about phenomenology, as they have asked about your case studies. So this grounded theory, focus groups, these are just shadow areas right now, which they will be making questions in the future.